Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing great. I'm great too. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add dates automatically. So let's get into the video. Let's say we want to add some dates here. So we'll select the range first. Let's make it equal. Well, now just select a range. Now go to click on the right button of your mouse and go to format cells option, and it will take a while. Okay, now go to this date option and select a format. I'll select this. Okay, now select or write down a date. Let's say I want to add this date. Now just simply drag and down. As you can see, the dates are filled. So yep, this is how you can autofill dates in Excel. This is the simplest and easiest way to autofill dates. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.